Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopper Fed Garage. My name is Brett, and it's time for the giveaway. Let's roll the intro and let's give someone a new set of LED turn signals. Roll it! That's right, today now we are giving away our black Sigz label LED turn signals from Lowrider Industries. So the way we're going to do this is we are going to put the YouTube link into the monitor basically, or into the laptop, and it's going to go to a website and it's going to pick a random comment. Now there are a couple people who did opt out, and if those people are the winner, we'll roll it again. So as you can see here, we have the screen up, and we are simply going to paste the link, and we are going to filter duplicate users, which means you get one entry. So you get one comment, that's your entry. So here we go. We're going to get the YouTube comments, and it's saying we have 47 unique commenters. I checked this morning when the, what's the word I'm looking for? I checked this morning when the contest expired, and that was the same number. So we have had no new entries from there. We don't have to worry about filtering them out. So without further ado, we're going to scroll down. Oops, or scroll up. See, I'm doing this all pretty much live. I want to make this as fluid as possible. And we are going to hit our start button. The winner is Pat W, who says, I just subscribed. Your channel looks like a channel I'll enjoy. Got your link from Walton, PA. Well, Walt, I got to give you a shout out. And then Pat, congratulations. I hope you enjoy these. Hit me up on Instagram so we can get you the turn signals out in a timely manner. I hope you enjoy them, man. If you have any questions on the install, just let me know. They're pretty self-explanatory. If you do have an older bike, I think 2012 and earlier, you might need to get a load equalizer, but if not, you should be ready to roll. So I want to thank everyone who took the time to enter, and just want to keep in mind that we will also be having another giveaway at 750 subscribers. When I started this initially, laying the groundwork, we were at like 460-ish, and then we shot up almost instantly, and we got up to 550, 560. We're at 565 now as of filming this. So let's keep on going. Another giveaway at 750 and keep the giveaway train going. All right, guys. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Good weekend coming up here. Hopefully you can get out and ride. I'm hoping I get at least one day. I got my heated gear now. I can maybe dip into the little 40s or so. But with that being said, my name is Brett. I hope you enjoyed our little giveaway. And as always, I'll catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fed out.